If you're seeing a Base44 502 error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. A 502 error usually means there's a temporary issue with the connection, browser cache, cookies, or even your local network settings. So we'll go step by step and try the most common fixes first. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, try a hard refresh in your browser by pressing Ctrl F5. This forces the page to reload and can clear out temporary loading issues. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. Press Ctrl Shift Delete, then choose the option to clear cookies and cached files. Make sure you select the right time range and then confirm the deletion. Once that's done, reopen Base44 and check if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl Shift N. This starts a private browsing session without your saved cookies or extensions interfering, so it's a great way to test whether Base44 is working normally in a clean session. If Base44 loads in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data or extensions. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. Open the command prompt on your computer, type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This clears old network records that may be causing connection issues with the site. After that, restart your browser and try Base44 again. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will fix the 502 error quickly. So to recap, hard refresh with Ctrl F5, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl Shift Delete, test in incognito with Ctrl Shift N, and flush DNS using ipconfig/flushdns. If the problem is still there after trying all of that, the issue may be on Base44's side and you may need to wait and try again later. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.